We quickly cut across to our correspondent with us. Vidya, go on. Industrialists, we saw Anil Ambani, a chairman of Tata and Sons, with their families also coming out to vote today. Give us more on the mood within Mumbai and the high-profile voters there. What kind of India are they looking forward to in the next 5 years? If you've had a chat with any of them, all right. We see Sanjay Dutt also now voting. Vidya, could you confirm which part of Mumbai is Sanjay Dutt voting today? We have live images coming in.
Well, Sanjay Dutt is a voter in Bandra, and almost every time we have seen him exercising his franchise. In fact, he does vote every time. During almost every election, he has come out to vote, and so does Arbaz Khan, who we saw a little earlier, or for that matter, among the industrialists, if I can tell you, Nabila, Anil Ambani is someone who knocks at the Election Commission's vote polling booth at 7 a.m. in the morning. He just reaches there, bang on time, casts his vote, and then moves ahead to do anything else. It's not just him. There are others like, the Tata Sons chairman. He was also there, though he refused to speak to the media. But, the RBI chief was there. Deepak Parekh, the HDFC chief, was there. Most people of the corporate world, they have been saying that people do need to vote, and they stand in the queue which is meant for the voters, waiting in line, just like any other person, waiting their turn to cast their vote, exercise their right. So it's heartening that how many Mumbaikars choose not to come out, but there are such people who are probably the busiest in the world, but they do take the time out. It is expected that between
no excuses to cast vote, Vidya. Absolutely no excuses to cast vote. In fact, Sanjay Dutt himself knows a value of a vote. His sister, Priya Dutt, was a Congress candidate in 2014. She was defeated by BJP's Poonam Mahajan at that point in time. She's still part of the Congress party. There were speculations that she might join the Eknath Shinde camp of the Shiv Sena. But nonetheless, Sanjay Dutt's family in politics indeed.
Well, certainly it's not just this sister. In fact, if you remember, Sunil Dutt himself was a politician for the Congress. He represented the Congress for the longest time, and only after he passed away that Priya Dutt really took over. She took on the political mantle, but the brother obviously refusing to take on the entire responsibility of the political bit, though Priya Dutt too herself wanted to get into the social work, the aspect of the organizations that they have been leading to help people. They really do not really want to get into politics again. However, yes, Sanjay Dutt himself does come out to vote, as you said. He does understand the importance that one single vote, every single vote counts for this particular country that we have. And that's the reason why every election we do see Sanjay Dutt exercising his right
to franchise, vote. Yeah. Vidya, thanks very much. There you have it. You have Varun Dhawan casting his vote with his father, and Hrithik Roshan, who cast his vote a little earlier, spoke to the media as well. Let's have a listen.
A vote appeal to themselves.
Study the candidates before you vote. Know what you're voting for.
A vote appeal to themselves.
Study the candidates before you vote. Know what you're voting for.